Do you hear it? That's nature. Here we are at 2820 Cedar Ridge in the reserve at El Dorado in McKinney. Behind me is a gorgeous home in a cul-de-sac with over an acre lot that backs up to woods, creeks, and just beyond that is El Dorado Country Club. Are you kidding me? This is an incredible property. You've got to see this incredible kitchen in person. It opens up to this two-story family room with Juliet balcony. You've got hand-scraped hardwoods throughout and gorgeous views of your acre backyard lot. This home has everything. Mom and Dad, your kids are gonna love you for buying this home. Dogs not included. And if you come out here this Sunday from 1 to 4 and you beat me on this sports court, I owe you $10. But you gotta buy the house.
You don't come with the house, do you? Isn't that right, my sweet little puppy dog?